extremely hot today, and it is so hot that I don't even have lights on. So I poured some ice. It's extremely hot today, and it is so hot that I don't even have lights on. So I poured some ice in a cup. It's extremely hot today, and it is so hot that I don't even have lights on. So I poured some ice in a cup. I've made delicious Moroccan pasta and broccoli. It's really good. Even though it's hot, it's a hot dish. It's very healthy, especially during this time, being in lockdown and not getting a lot of exercise or going to the gym or anything. Gaining a little bit of weight around the tummy. Once upon a time I had a personal trainer. Yep, feel me what I'm saying? Real personal. Anyway, he taught me to eat Moroccan pasta and broccoli with nothing else on it, except you can put butter, Molly McButter, because with Molly McButter it gives the flavor of butter. But no fat, no calories, just flavor. And it's really good. And you just use plain Moroccan pasta. Then I've got watermelon pie. It doesn't have any fat in it. So good. Well, it might have a little bit. Doesn't have much sugar. It has, 1 gram of sugar. Filtered water, erythritol, watermelon juice concentrate, citric acid, tea extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, stevia leaf extract, malic acid, vegetable juice concentrate, for color, artificial flavors. Anyway, it's absolutely delicious. And just for the record, these are products that I enjoy. There is no sponsorship involved in this at all. So I thought I would take you guys with me today when I look at a magazine, I enjoy the peace, because when it's hot outside, people tend to stay in or go away. I love it. What's great about this dish is that you can eat as much as you want, and it serves a double duty, because broccoli actually, if you don't cook it fully, it has, it's really good for gut health. And then the Moroccan pasta has absolutely zero fat, and it's just really healthy, really, really healthy. These into second chance, and I thought it might be relaxing. So lucky coin here, and I found it. It's some type of currency, Asian currency. It's $10. I don't know if it's $10. I'm not sure where I found it, but I use it to scratch my lottery tickets. It's my lucky coin. And I didn't realize it, but I have found a coin that has an angel on it, and I was using that too, but this one works really well, and it's really heavy. So if anybody knows anything about this coin, please leave it in the comment section. I'd be really curious to hear what you have to say. Let me see. Put it on here. It's neat, isn't it? I don't know. I feel lucky I found it. Oh, it's Mexico. Oh, it's oh, it has ruins. You know what? I don't think I even realized I thought that this was a different coin. I didn't realize it until I just decided to show you that it wasn't the actual coin that I thought I was using, but it still works really nice. Anyway, so I'm gonna log into my app and I'm gonna enter these into the second chance. Oh wait. Okay, we're ready. Entered. You can do 500 every month they give you. I like to play the crosswords because I like to, like if there's a letter, I like to go through and do one letter at a time. And then it's really fun when you win, because what's fun when you win is that as you scratch the letters one by one, and then you go through and you get all the letters, as you start winning, it's so fun and surprising, because you've already scratched off so many letters, and then you've got like little, like this one has one letter, and if I scratch off that letter, it's like I won, I got a word, and then you find another one and you go, oh, I got another word and another word, and then with every word that you get, you win right here. And it's really exciting. I've won up to $500, and it was really fun. Oh, I think I already did that one. And then, just for the fun of it, I always enter them into the second chance drawing. Just because I think Why not? And what I do, I just pick tickets that I like to win, that I like to play. And I also like to play a game on how I choose the tickets. Because believe it or not, even though I have a lot of losers right here, I do win a lot. Okay, Google. And then it's fun also when you do win, and then you get, and you unscratch the multiplier, and it's like sometimes it's 5 times, 10 times. That's really fun. See, on this one, I like to reveal the prize at the end. And so if I win, then I just reveal the prize. I don't scratch off all of them. Poker, that's fun. I got 9 at 500. I went on these a lot. The big one. I won $60 last time. And look, I thought I was a winner. I wasn't, but I was so excited because I was like, oh my god, I just won $200. But I screwed up. I must have scratched off something I didn't have. been too worried about it since the lockdown. I don't really go anywhere anymore. I don't like wearing a mask. Do you? Play $5 or more on a single Fantasy 5 ticket to be eligible for your second chance. Please check your ticket and try again. $5 or more on a single Fantasy 5 ticket to be eligible for a second chance. Please check your ticket. Okay, this one's not eligible. Super Lotto is though. Super Lotto is. Oops, you have scanned a Powerball ticket and it is currently not part of Second Chance program. Please enter a code for Super Lotto Plus Fantasy 5 with $5 or more on a single ticket or a Scratchers game. No can do. Hey guys, I'll see you next time. And I hope that you found this somewhat relaxing. I have some ideas, but I'm not going to share them. I'm not going to share them in advance. I'm just going to do them. But what I want is for you guys to play the videos and see if you feel different after the video. So there's going to be a special surprise. It's going to be an unknown secret. And I'll just have to leave it at that. Okay? Relax your brain.